Separate from my welding shop, I have a hydraulic room so I can minimize dust and sparks. I had an individual ask about a bigger picture of my hose crimping machine, so here it is. Bought it at an auction for $250. It came with all the dies and everything except for the 3/8 die, which is what I use mostly. I had to buy another one for $250. So for $500 I was set up. The thing to remember with these, you want to mic your first crimp with 3/8. Recommends a base of 4.72. When I mic'd it, the ferrule was a little large, so I had to go to 4.78, 4.79, and it mic'd out correctly. You don't have to mic them all. These machines are pretty accurate, pretty consistent, but it's a good idea to mic one every once in a while. Just a little stop right here. When it hits that, it kicks off. This adjustment moves it up and down in coordination with the dies. That's how you get the crimp. Here I have my fittings. Don't have many, but these are all the ones I use for all my attachments. A few swivels. These have a few 90-degrees. Cool. Thank you.